Welcome to my studio. I'm Dayan-Whitehead, and I carve stone on using all kinds of tools, and this particular stone is going to be called Fire Dance because it has this feeling of fire, and it is a very beautiful orange stone, but also because as a series I've been exploring the way that fire and our feelings and sense of fire dance between our sense of joy, our sense of warmth and comfort, creativity and destruction, all of those things. And so this series is my way of exploring all of this, and I am so glad that I am able to show you that this stone, from its beginnings as a very large rock to this point, has all been done right here. At this point in the process, I have mostly roughed out this stone, and the stone is, for the most part, ready to be finished or to start the finishing process. But there are things about it that I care to adjust, as the form will express itself better if all of the pieces of the sculpture are flowing in a direction, if that makes sense. So part of what I will be doing is marking up the stone and finding a way to make all of these cuts in the stone be part of the... I will now be drawing on the stone in order to show the places where I wish to incorporate the shape more into the rest of the form. As you can see, the form is pretty much there. I feel that this line is not quite in line with the rest of the sense of the sculpture, so I'm going to indicate where I think I should give it a more uniform shape, and a shape that will allow it to flow just a little bit better. You can see here that these pieces are offset as a sense of feeling of expansion. That the front of this, I think we need to give it a little concavity in order to give the stone a little more sense of movement, so that movement will come in and go and flow out, whereas this part is going kind of the other direction, which is what I want it to do. Further in my explorations, I have carved out this center, which I kind of think to be the middle of the fire, and from that it spirals out. So we have a fire that spirals out, and my wish for that is that there will be a sense of lifting up. And so this fires this, and then it fires this, and then this fires this. So the whole thing becomes a sense of spiraling up and out, a movement that replicates the dance of fire.